Hey everyone, I wanted to share my experience with the Forex Beginners Academy taught by Saad Ali. So the training has really helped me to read and analyze charts using simple tools like support and resistance, Fibonacci retracement, and other technical analysis tools. Through this training program, I've gained a deep understanding of how market structure works and how these tools can help follow trends more accurately instead of predicting the direction of the market. However, the Forex Beginners Academy doesn't just focus on technical analysis tools, it also teaches traders about the importance of mindset and risk management in successful trading. With the proper mindset, you can learn to control your emotions and avoid making impulsive decisions that can lead to losses. Additionally, by learning about risk management, you can set up a trading plan that allows you to manage your risk effectively and avoid overtrading. Saad Ali provides the trading plan as well. During the training, I also had the opportunity to use TradingView to analyze my charts and post them in a private Facebook group. This is where Saad Ali gives feedback on her analysis, which really helps us to master the skills we've learned in the program. This feedback is invaluable because it allows us to identify areas where we need to improve and refine our skills, ultimately leading to greater success in the Forex market. Overall, the Forex Beginners Academy is an excellent program for anyone who wants to improve their skills in the Forex market. It provides a step-by-step training that covers everything from technical analysis tools to mindset and risk management. By completing this program, you will gain valuable knowledge and skills that can help you become a more successful trader. Thank you for sharing your experience with us, Saad Ali.